Hello students, we have completed our lesson number 7, the report of an adjured case. So today I give you the answer of the comprehension section A. The answer of A, answer the following question in about 25 words. So today I give you the answer of 25 words. Now the first question is, what was the point in dispute between nose and eyes? What was the main motive of their dispute? So the answer is, the point of dispute between nose and eyes was their claim on the ownership of spectacles. Question number 2. Now explain these lines. The lines are, so Tongue was the lawyer and argued the case with a great deal of skill and a wigful of learning, while Chief Baron Ear set to balance the laws, so famed for his talent in nicely discerning. So when you explain these lines, you start with this poem is written by William Cowper and name of poem is Report of an Adjured Case. Now in the dispute, Tongue played the role of lawyer. Tongue presented the argument with great deal of skill, both in expressions and learning. The Ear was on the chair of Baron because he is famous for his talent of discrimination between right or wrong. Now go to the third question. What were the arguments given by the lawyer in favor of the nose as the owner of the spectacles? So the answer is, the lawyer said that the nose has its claim on the spectacles since time immemorial. A man without nose cannot wear spectacles. Spectacles sit properly on the bridge of the nose. In fact, they are made for each other. Go to the fourth question. Who pleaded the case in behalf of the eyes and to what effect? The answer is, Tongue pleaded the case on behalf of the eyes. The court refuted Tongue's argument because the judge did not find them wise and effective enough to give judgment in favor of eyes. Here fifth question. In whose favor did the judge decide the case and how did he do so? Answer is, the judge decided the case in the favor of the nose. He did so after hearing the arguments of Tongue in favor of the eyes and found them less wise. He declared that eyes should be shut whenever the nose puts the spectacles on. So students, these are the answers of question of 25 words question. So you have listen carefully and write all the answers in your fair notebook. And to see the answers page, you see on the down your video documentary Study Yourself. When you tap it, you get the written answer of these questions. So thank you.